Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 51 points, that is 0.06%, and settled at 80,716 points. Nifty 50 is up by 26 points, that is 0.11%, and settled at 24,613 points. Bank Nifty is down by 59 points, that is 0.11%, and settled at 52,396 points. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index is closed flatly. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 14 points, that is 0.08%, and settled at 19,062 points. Shares of DB Corp zoomed up in Tuesday's early intraday deals. The share price gained after the media firm reported a strong performance in the first quarter ending 30th June 2024, with a 49.68% year-on-year increase in net profit, amounting to 117.8 crore rupees compared to 78.7 crore rupees in the corresponding period last year. The company's consolidated total income also grew by 6.8%, reaching 616.2 crore rupees as compared to 576.6 crore rupees in the corresponding period of the previous fiscal. The company's total expenses dropped slightly by 2.3% YoY at 458.8 crore rupees in the June quarter of FY24, down from 469.9 crore rupees reported in the same quarter last year. At the operating level, earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization grew by 40.4% year-on-year to 190.9 crore rupees as against 135.9 crore rupees. EBITDA margin expanded by 700 basis points to 31% in June from 24% last year. Additionally, the company's board announced an interim dividend of 7 rupees per equity share, 70% on the face value of 10 rupees per share, for the financial year 2024-25. Because of increase in EBITDA margin, stock reacted negatively after 12:30 p.m. in today's session. The shares of this PSU Telecom company rose by 12% on Tuesday after reports indicated that the Indian government plans to restructure its debt and transfer its operations to BSNL. Mahanagar Telephone Nigam offers a variety of telecommunication services, including telephone, telex, wireless data communication, telematics, and internet services in Mumbai and New Delhi. Reports indicate that MTNL has a high level of debt, making a merger with BSNL less favorable. Instead, the government plans to transfer MTNL's operations to the larger telecom company BSNL. Since MTNL operates only in Mumbai and Delhi, transferring its operations to BSNL, which has a nationwide presence, would provide a broader reach across India. Garden Reach Shipbuilders Limited wins order worth 840 crore rupees. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session at 3 p.m. Leading pharmaceutical manufacturer Cipla Ltd received an additional tax demand of 773.44 crore rupees from the Income Tax Department for assessment years 2015-16 to 2020-23, the drug maker said in a stock exchange filing on 16 July. The tax authority has asked for additional taxes, citing rule violations, including short deductions, weighted deductions, and disallowances of various expenses under the Income Tax Act Section 37(1). Antony Waste Handling Cell says order book stood at 8,300 crore rupees. Company guides for 20 to 25% revenue CAGR over 5 years. Company's margins will be in the vicinity of 20% to 24%. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session after 12:50 p.m. Happiest Minds Technologies announced the launch of a complete 360 IT managed service offering, Happiest Minds Watch 360, designed specifically to help organizations manage their IT environment effortlessly. The comprehensive service offering provides organizations with reliable and affordable 24/7 IT infrastructure management. Powered by Ellipse, an AI-infused platform, Happiest Minds Watch 360 utilizes machine learning for real-time insights and automation. This translates to enhanced IT efficiency, cost savings, and seamless service delivery, all backed by industry-leading SLAs and our experts, delivering services from our ISO 27001 certified centers. This proactive approach will allow organizations to focus more on core businesses and strategic initiatives. Bajaj Auto, the two- and three-wheeler manufacturer, on Tuesday reported a net profit of 1,988 crore rupees in the first quarter of FY25, upon a revenue of 11,928 crore rupees. Bajaj Auto Quarter 1 net profit rose 19.4% to 1,988 crore rupees from 1,665 crore rupees in the year-ago quarter. Bajaj Auto's revenue from operations in Q1 FY24 increased 15.7% YoY to 11,928 crore rupees from 10,310 crore rupees year-on-year, on the back of strong vehicle sales and record spares revenue. Volume expansion across both domestic and exports businesses and favorable mix drove double-digit revenue growth for the company. Average selling price increased by 7.9% year-on-year, led by 760 bps improvement in 125 cubic centimeters and higher category motorcycles. At the operational level, earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization in Quarter 1 financial year 24 grew 24% to 2,415 crore rupees from 1,954 crore rupees. EBITDA margin improved by 130 basis points to 20.2% from 19%, YoY, driven by better realization and cost reduction. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.